Google Pixel 6a How to Reset Network Settings. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss how we can reset network settings for the Google Pixel 6a, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now this process also works for any of the other Pixel devices as well, so all you have to do for this is open the settings application on your Google Pixel, scroll down to the very bottom of the screen and go to the option called System. And once you go to System over here, scroll down again and you'll find an option called Reset Options. So tap on the Reset Options button here, and as you do that you should be able to find the option called Reset Mobile Network Settings. You can tap on that option, tap on Reset Settings to reset your mobile network settings. After you do that, you can also just come back and tap on Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi if you want to reset those as well. This way you will be able to reset your network settings on Google Pixel 6a. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.